Oh, wait. Hello guys. This is probably the last video of 21.22. No. I mean 1.21.2. Because I heard that that has been confirmed that 21.22 will actually come out a month before 2026 anyway. I believe this is the last video of the yeah, this is from the video. Yeah, let's keep going. Also, we have water address. What book on 19? I'm actually in a private server, but no one is running it. I believe the server. These places again. I'll just say we can come back if I can spread. Okay, there's a rotation. There's a rotation in what's the funky, I think. I believe so. Yeah, it's literally GTDS. It's very nice. Oh wow. I can see the sun touching down, but I'm also confident that I'm getting so touching with the activity. This may be it. Yeah, I believe I'm getting close to it, but it must be getting wider and wider and wider. I believe so. But I need to tell you, but at least the seven Earth and the seven Earth is a good good. I believe the still is the happy area, I believe. That's my answer. Tornado must be this tornado must be getting wider and wider every second. It must be getting a bit wider. I don't want this to be out. I don't want this to spoil it. This tornado literally is red TV as well. In literally. Let's see how this tornado look! The tornado looks massive. What is it? Oh god! What is that? Okay. I believe I should slowly the scooter, but it's unsafe right now. Tornadoes are moving very fast. Gosh. I should have gone backwards. I don't think I can backwards. Oh god! Up to the side! Up to the side! Well down! It's getting wider and wider. Calm down. Oh god. This tornado is massive. How? What is that? Ton is cooked. Look at this. Look at the massive windfield. It must be massive. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I don't know why this is happening. I might be seeing something in the distance. It must be a tornado coming. I believe so. I believe I can see it. I believe I see it. It's going massive. It's massive. It must be massive. It Oh gosh. I can't. Okay, it must be large inside. It must be large inside. Oh! Yeah. I should not know where they should do it. I'm going to tell them to change the school right there. It's massive. Look how massive this thing is. Yeah, look at that tornado, that's massive. I believe this thing is massive. Alright, okay, the tornado must be weakening, like, suppose to. It must be weakening, please. It must be weakening. It must be weakening. Yeah, that's it. It's weakening fast. I'm gonna measure that tornado one so you can see how large it is. Let me see how large it is. Probably 2 miles wide. The tornado windfield is 2 miles wide. That makes no sense. Finally, let's get how large it is. Oh wow, look at that tornado. That tornado is very large. I never noticed that tornado, but it's extremely large. Yeah, let's see how many yards it is. 1,500 yards. It's huge. Oh wow, finally I reached Wait, what happened over here? What happened to that house? Wait. Did this house go? Well, I believe this could be one to
tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
It should be 150. What? 140. 155? Okay. What? Oh my gosh, I've done shift already. Even though that there's a storm right by me, it's still too laggy to shave. But at least this is the ending of my video. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. And thank you very much. And yeah, and it helps make me create more videos. Please. And actually, and yeah, and yeah, someone can learn me how to play this. Yeah, I couldn't die from that tornado. At least before I just stop recording, let me show you the tornado track. The tornado track was it was literally, it was a lot of hours being that hole. That was a lot of hours, and the story reached EFT rating with 134 miles an hour, with a path length of 9.14 miles. What? What do you mean? Stop it, Paria. Yeah, I believe to measure the engine under. It actually means it actually required MS pass. And yeah, it's time to stop recording. And 3, 2, 1.